Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I am going to be unboxing my very last OK subscription box. I haven't had it for long, but I have cancelled my subscription. If you're new to the OK Beauty Edit, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but otherwise you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. OK Beauty Edit is run by the OK Magazine subscription, the company. We were expecting huge things when it was released, and to be fair, the boxes that I have received, they haven't been too bad whatsoever. But the reason I've stopped my subscription is because the cost has gone up. This box was only launched back in November, December time, so it's only been up and running for a couple of months. Initially it was £15 and they ship within the UK and Northern Ireland, but it's gone up to £20 if you want a monthly rolling subscription. They do offer discounts if you opt for, I think it's 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, but still it's like a £5 jump just within a couple of months. I don't understand that. If that was something that was always planned from the start, then I do think that they should have been open and transparent with their plans, because I just feel, no, you know, £15, it's a sort of similar price line as Look Fantastic, Glossy Box, Rocker Box, etc., even though they're a little bit cheaper. But now that it's gone up to £20, no, based on the previous boxes that I've had, no, I don't think it's worth it. It's not a definite no way I'm not going to subscribe ever again to them, but I'm going to sit back and have a look what the boxes are like over the next couple of months, and then it might be a box that I dip in and out of, especially if I have a load of you ask me, Claire, can you unbox the OK subscription again? Then of course I'll look into it. At the start of the month you will get to see exactly what will be inside the contents of the month. So if you were to subscribe now, you'll be able to go onto their website and you'll be able to see what you will be receiving. In order to cancel the subscription, I had to email them. In fairness, they were really lovely, and they asked me why I wanted to cancel and if there's anything I could do, and I just said, you know, because I just found out literally that the price of the boxes are going up to £20 and I just don't feel that it's worth it at the moment for me. And they said because I've been a subscriber from the first box, then my payments will remain at £15. So I thought that was really lovely, but then I had to see it from my YouTube point of view as well. It'd be all fine me having it for £15, but then showing you lot and saying, well, actually it's £20 when I don't feel it's worth £20. I just thought, nah, I can't do it. So I've cancelled it for now. All links and everything related to this box, and if I can find any discounts, I don't think they do any discounts, but there might be like 10% off your first box, something like that, I'm not too sure, but I'll pop it down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we've got a card here and it details everything about the products. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek first. It says, welcome to the OK Beauty Edit. This box has been specially curated by our expert beauty team with you in mind. This month's edit focuses on well-being and is filled with eco-friendly products ready to bring some sustainability to your self-care routine. Every month we will be bringing you a collection of fabulous deluxe beauty samples and the occasional full-size product from the best brands, all tried, tested and loved by our beauty editors, and you don't even have to leave your sofa. And this is by Maui Moisture Haircare, and we've got a shampoo and conditioner duo, and there's 100 mils each in there. I'm really excited about this. They do some really lovely shampoos. This is to revive and hydrate, contains shea butter, and it's for dry damaged hair, which is perfect for me. It says no minerals, no silicons, no SLS, no sulfates. It's vegan, pure coconut and pure aloe as well, and they're produced in France. I'm looking for the information booklet, but there's none. So we got a shampoo and conditioner duo. Next we got a product by the Beauty Kitchen from the Sustainables range. This is an organic vegan hand sanitizer and it contains 62% alcohol and there's 50 mils there. I've tried a few products from this brand before and they are lovely. They do the most amazing hand cream. Well, it's a hand scrub. It leaves my hands feeling absolutely gorgeous. Ooh-wee! It leaves my hands feeling absolutely gorgeous. I do really like it. So yeah, so it's a hand sanitizer. Ooh, the smell is lovely. It smells of lemons, like a sherbet lemon type of smell. Got a hand sanitizer. Next we got a product by Ren, and this is Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser, and there's 15 mils here. I have got the full-size version of this. It's downstairs in our shower. I do really like it. I find it quite hard to squeeze it out because it's seal there, but it's quite a thick jelly, but it's lovely. It's really nice cleanser. So yeah, so I've got a little mini one. Next up, we have got a Balance Me and Moisture Rich face cream, and there's 20 mils here. Deeply hydrating and created to protect, rejuvenate and reduce stresses and reduce redness. Smooth and even layer of cream onto cleansed face, neck and neck. And it's a vegan product as well. And lastly, we got a product by Aroma Active Laboratories, and this is a sleep mist. It says here, formulated to prepare you for sleep, and it contains valerian, Buddha wood, ylang ylang, lavandin and valerian root extract and hops. And 75 mils here. So this is something different for me to try. We do like sleep sprays here. I really like the packaging. That's nice. So what's it smell like? Give it a spray. Woo. Oh, it's nice. It's quite an earthy scent. Yeah, I do really like that. So those are all the products, so I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the products inside. OK Beauty Edit, the February box. We've got a shampoo and conditioner duo. We've got a hand sanitizer. We've got a sleep mist, a face cream, and we've got a face cleanser. This sleep spray is quite strong. If you've received this box, please let me know down below what you think of the sleep spray. It smells nice, but it's just making me want to cough. Anyway, yeah, I think for £15, this is quite a nice box for February. But as I said earlier, this is going to be my last box for now, with a £5 increase just after 3 months. It's just too much, too much. I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think? If you are a subscriber from the beginning, then you will not notice the £5 increase. Well, I hope so anyway. But if you are a new subscriber, what do you think of these boxes now being £20 if for a monthly rolling subscription then? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.